Hello guys, welcome to this new video. So if you're too lazy to trade US30 like I am and you just want to trade it, automatically, you don't want to put in the hard work, I could set that up for you. So I've got a US30 EA that I've got on the screen here. Now what this US30 EA does is it trades US30 indices like NAS, S&P 500, UK 100, GE40, all those crazy indices that you want to trade, and it does this automatically. And here's the best thing, you can set your risk percentage. Now of course you're gonna win maybe like 8 or 9 or I don't know 98% of your trades with this EA. Now the key thing here is you just want to make that small percentage and you want to risk a certain percentage and you want to use it for prop firms, personal account trading. This EA will work really good for you. Now the other thing here is you can mix this EA up, as in you can do multiple indices at the same time, or you can do just one indices at the same time. What I like to do is I like to mix it up so you get a nice variation of US30 and NAS 100. Now if you are, let's say, not winning as much as you want to, you can actually maybe do some manual intervention, but you for the most part don't need to do that. This EA is available now if you want it, and if you want me to set it up for you, message me down below and I'll be ready to set it up for you anytime. And also I've linked some trading results with this EA as well, so if you want to see that, message me as well and I'll show you some live trading as well with the EA. Thank you for watching this video and I'll catch you in my next one. See ya.